Hi, I'm Andre. And I'm Chris. And this is Roof Repair Specialist. The purpose of our company is growing a great company with great people. With constant growth comes constant opportunity. It's awesome to see that some of our guys started as a technician, moved to field supervisor, and has now moved into a sales position. And his past has led him to build into that position today.
It is a place where they care about what's going on. They want to make sure you're successful and they want to make sure you're taken care of. I think it's a great opportunity for someone to come in and then just to kind of put yourself out there. At least for me, it was like, can I do this? Can I see this happen? Working with these guys, it was fun, it was exciting.
What we typically look for employees here at Roof Repair Specialist is someone who has a go-getter personality that is willing to go above and beyond and get everything that needs to be done no matter what task it is. Someone that really takes initiative and just goes for it.
I feel like we have a process that no one else does out there. We have more of a relationship rather than, you know, just a number on someone's head. So that's definitely something that we do differently, I feel like, than most contractors or other companies.
Culture at Roof Repair Specialist is very fast-paced. It's a small company, but it's growing constantly. So as the company grows, you grow with it.
We end up naturally having fun together, even when we're busy, even when we have difficult days and things are just going unexpectedly, we still end up having a lot of fun together. We'll hang out after work, and during the day we can make each other laugh even when we're going through a hard time. So the family aspect of it here is just, it makes it a really nice place to work.
If you like what you see and you think you have what it takes, we'd love to hear from you. We're brothers. We're Give me a high five.